good people? Y'all know this Rico made me stronger and wiser. Just coming out here today, start a little video. Yo, I'm in the DMV area. If y'all don't know what the DMV is, that's Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Virginia. It's all considered one little metropolitan area. Call it the DMV. Anyway, I'm about to turn the camera around. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show y'all what the weather is like for us good people in the DMV today. And I'm in the V. Apologize, y'all had my camera turned around. Y'all had my camera vertical instead of horizontal, so I apologize about that. This is the weather that we've been blessed with in the DMV today. I don't know if it's a hurricane around. According to the news, it was one in the UK, but I'm not sure what the UK having a hurricane has to do with us feeling it, but it is what it is. And to be honest with you, me personally, I think it's beautiful. I think that this weather is definitely beautiful weather. It's definitely a good opportunity, very nice opportunity to have a romantic night for all my lovers out there watching this. If you got your love, and y'all got a nice, comfortable house, home, apartment, it don't matter, a tree, hey, love is everywhere, baby. Love one another. All we gotta do is just be good. Just stay true to you. Stay true to you. Self-love is the best love. Make sure you love yourself. It's okay to love all. That is mandatory that you have love for all. But don't lose yourself or short yourself of self-love because you're too focused giving all your love to other people who you love. You can't do that because you'll lose yourself. And if, God forbid, that relationship or situation ever ends up coming to an end, you'll be stuck having to find yourself all over again because you spent so much time loving the other person that you forgot about loving yourself. And you've allowed yourself to get lost. You know? And anyway, if y'all haven't had an opportunity, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to put in the description box, I'm going to put 10 inspirational reasons why the rain is beautiful. Why the rain is beautiful and what it does for our spirits and keeping us in high spirits. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all next time.